And at this point, we're entering Spain.
This is the Spanish Plaza, which is located inside the Xetulul Park. In this plaza, you could find flamenco dancers, restaurants with the theme from Spain, so you could actually enjoy a delicious paella, some wine, and the shops are basically selling anything related to Spain, little items here and there.
Hola. Gracias.
Now this one here is the Italian Plaza. So everything that you see here is the Italian theme. In this case, you have this ride where you could actually take a gondola, or you could go in this slide in a canoe type vessel
This
and
is
slide
another
down
ride
with the
right
wave
here
and
at
everything.
Xetulul.
It's beautiful. We have fun. We got on it.
And there is a water
And it is
park right
located
next door,
in the Italian
which
Plaza.
we'll be
As
doing
you can see,
tomorrow.
the buildings in the back are
This is the
all,
plaza, the
look-alike,
Spanish plaza,
places in Italy.
where I purchased my tropical shirt for tonight's event. There's a gala dance party fiesta, but the theme is tropical. So I already got my shirt for tonight.
This is the German Plaza. In this German Plaza, you find attractions like these for the youngsters and the young at heart. And you also find beer by the jar, also hot dogs, Frankfurt style hot dogs. It is amazing. It's a beautiful place. Okay, we are back in the Italian Plaza, and we decided to go to the Fontana di Trevi. This is basically a replica of the Fountain of Trevi located in Rome.
La Fontana di Trevi.
It is a beautiful structure. And so we did the usual throwing of the coin to our backs. Right? You step in front of the fountain, and then you throw a coin towards the back, and hopefully it lands in the water, and then you make a wish.
We're gonna do the bumper car
Well,
now.
we wanted to be kids again, so we headed towards the bumper cars, and we had a blast. Basically, everything was included in our package. All we have to do is show our bracelet, and we have access to restaurants to eat. Some of them we have to pay, but the majority of them, once you show them your bracelet, you get the food as part of the package. And in this case right here, this attraction here, the bumper cars, it's free admission, and you can go as many times as you want. And there are no long lines for waiting to get on, so it's fun. We had a great time. Well, my wife wanted to relive her childhood moments, and she insisted on getting on the merry-go-round. As you can see, it is one of the classic rides, and it is a two-story ride.
I wanted to be a princess, and I felt like a princess riding in my swan carriage and going around and around in the merry-go-round. I've never seen a merry-go-round that is like two-story. I've always seen merry-go-rounds in the United States that's only just one level, but this is like a multi-level, and it was absolutely amazing. Just beautiful, and made me feel like a little princess, like a little girl again, and I enjoyed every moment.
Two. Oh, hold on. One more. 1, 2.
My wife wanted to attend the flamenco dance show, and so we went to the Plaza de España, the Spanish Plaza, and we got in exactly on the dot at the beginning of this wonderful flamenco dance show. What?
The flamenco dancing was absolutely marvelous. I mean, the artistic display of the precision and the way that they moved, the costumes was like absolutely amazing. I believe that they represented the flamenco dancing in a very elegant way. I mean, from their costume, their shoes, the fans, and everything was just so marvelous. It was a very well representation of what the flamenco dance looks like. I mean, I've seen other performances of flamenco dancing, and this was equivalent to that. So I actually, being a dancer myself, I was just amazed and watching their movement, their lines, and their symmetry. It was absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at that. I mean, amazing. Look at the way that their arms are just, they made sure that they, completed the moves. They extended their hands, their back was arched perfectly. And again, as a dancer, I just absolutely just loved this part, just seeing them. Anything with theater and dance is my partake. So this was a pleasant experience, and this is the second time we've seen it.
We're here inside the Moulin Rouge Theater in the French Plaza, ready to enjoy the Christmas show. But look at this beautiful place. This is amazing, beautiful. Now we're getting to the area of La Fogata, the fire bun. And this is where we're gonna have a great time. We see the little train bringing people here.
We're gonna enjoy some nice carnival food, popcorn, hot dog, nachos, and bonfire.
Yes.
Yay, bonfire.
All right, I see the bonfire over there. Okay, we got a plate of garnachas. Gracias, gracias.
Bienvenido, pasen adelante.
Muy amable.
Bienvenida, pasa adelante.
We are getting our laces.
I got laid.
Lace or laid?
I got laid. Bienvenidos adelante. Pasen adelante.
Gracias, señor.
¿Desde ahora, caballeros?
Sí. I also have a great welcome.
So we are here for Tropical Night, and we're the party. I have my crown, I have my leg, I got my ring.
Go Jessica, go Jessica, go Jessica, go Jess, go Jess. Get over there, let me take a video. Come on Jess, go over there. Woo! Gracias, gracias.
Buenas noches, adelante, bienvenidos. Buenas noches, bienvenidos.
Gracias,
Si quieren
gracias.
tomarse fotos, se pueden ir aquí.
Ok,
Ya
gracias.
después, el ingreso es del lado derecho. Si gustan, no pueden
Oh, ya
tomar
es.
fotos. El ingreso es allá para tomarse fotos y aquí.
Ok.
Si gustan, no pueden tomar fotos.
Okay, gracias. Look at all this beauty hidden from us. This is like another world. This is here. Look at all this beauty hidden from us. This is like another world. Party will be on tonight and the theme is Tropical Nights.
So we attended this wonderful tropical theme party, and it was an amazing event. First of all, they had a variety of menu. The food in the menu was a variety of food, from seafood to poultry to everything. Even the desserts were delicious. Lots of bread combinations, cold cuts, and also vegetables and fruits. We were welcome to the event with a piña colada, as you can see. So all of these also is included in the package that we purchased. It is 5 days, 4 nights. In every night, there is a gala event with different themes. The first night theme was the welcoming, and it was Egyptian theme. The second night, it was, what was it, Cheryl? It was tropical night. And so this,
Tropical night. First night when we arrived was the welcoming was Egyptian night. The second night was tropical night. The third night was Western night. And then the fourth night was the formal night of the big gala for New Year's and everything like that, which was formal. But every single night that we had these particular themes was just amazing. They had like the bands that were specific to the theme, the people that participated like dressed up to like the to the max, like making sure that they participated in the theme. Because prior to when you register and become and you register for the service, they let you know like ahead of time like what the events are going to be. So a lot of people really did like step up their game and really dress up for the occasion.